Everyone, it's great to be here. I'm really excited about today's topic because it's something we all do every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with English Learning Podcast, the podcast that helps you learn simple, real English for everyday life. I'm Adam, and with me today is my awesome co-host, Sarah. That's right. Today we're talking about daily routines, all the things we do from morning to night. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your own daily routine in clear, natural English. So, are you ready, Sarah?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, let's start simple. Sarah, what's a daily routine?
A daily routine is the group of activities you do every day, usually at the same time. Like when you wake up, eat, go to work, or relax.
Exactly. It helps you stay organized and gives structure to your day. Can you share a little about your daily routine, Sarah?
Sure. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Then I brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed. After that, I make breakfast and drink coffee.
Coffee, of course.
Yes, I can't live without it. Then I go to work, have lunch around 1 p.m., and come home in the evening. After dinner, I like to watch TV or read a book before I go to bed.
That's a good example. And listeners, you can use these same words to talk about your own day. Let's go over the morning routine in more detail. Morning is the start of the day. So let's talk about some common morning activities.
Okay. First, we wake up. That means we stop sleeping. Then we get up. That means we actually leave the bed.
Good point. A lot of people wake up but don't get up right away.
Yes. After that, we usually take a shower, brush our teeth, and get dressed.
And then, the best part? Breakfast.
Yes, I usually have coffee and toast.
I like eggs and fruit. But remember, listeners, you can connect these ideas with simple words like and then, after that, next, or finally. For example, I wake up at 7 and then I take a shower. After that, I have breakfast and get ready for work. Now let's move to the afternoon. Sarah, what do most people do in the afternoon?
Well, most people go to work or go to school. They have lunch around noon and then continue their work or classes.
Right? And some people meet friends, go shopping, or do homework in the afternoon too.
Exactly. For example, I usually go to the gym after work before I go home.
That's a great habit. Now let's talk about evenings, my favorite time of day.
Mine too. It's when we finally get to relax.
Yes. So, what's your typical evening routine?
I come home around 6, cook dinner, and eat with my family. Then I watch TV or scroll through social media. Around 10:30, I go to bed.
Nice. I'm usually in bed by 11 too. You can also use frequency words like usually, sometimes, and always to make your sentences sound more natural.
For example, I usually watch a movie after dinner. I sometimes read before bed. I always brush my teeth before sleeping.
All right, let's listen to a short natural conversation using today's expressions. Ready, Sarah?
Ready?
Hey, Sarah, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. I like to start my day early.
Wow, that's early. What do you do first in the morning?
I make some coffee and check my phone for messages. Then I take a shower and get dressed for work.
Sounds like a good start. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Not always. Sometimes I just grab a banana and eat it on the way to work.
Same here. I usually have something small. What about evenings?
After work, I cook dinner, relax, and sometimes watch a movie. I go to bed around 10:30.
Nice. I think our listeners can use your routine as a great example.
Yes, and they can try to describe their own routines using the same words.
Okay, friends, let's review some useful words and phrases from today's episode.
Number 1, wake up to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7.
Number 2, get up to get out of bed. Example, I get up right after I wake up.
Number 3, get dressed to put on clothes. Example, I get dressed for work.
Number 4, have breakfast/lunch/dinner to eat a meal. Example, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Number 6, come home/get home to return to your house. Example, I come home at 6.
Number 5, go to work/school to leave home for your job or studies. Example, I go to work by bus.
And finally, number 7, go to bed, to lie down and sleep. Example, I go to bed around 11.
Excellent. You can now use these phrases to describe your entire day in English. All right, quick recap. Today we learned what a daily routine is, common phrases for morning, afternoon, and evening, a natural dialogue between two speakers, 7 key vocabulary phrases.
And now it's your turn. Think about your own day, from morning to night, and try to describe it in English.
You can start simple.
Perfect. You can even record yourself speaking and listen to how you sound. That's a great way to practice.
That's all for today's episode of Easy English with English Learning Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your daily routine.
If you like this episode, please follow the podcast, share it with your friends, and leave a short review. It really helps.
And don't forget to practice these expressions in real life.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.